Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? How's everybody doing? Alrighty, let's see what's going on in the market here. Moved down from all-time highs. We got some data highs here. I think we'll come take this out and maybe move lower. If we inverse this daily data candle, we'll look for a downside. That's currently what it's looking like. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is actually a pretty good news candle for evals. That was a pretty good candle. Did you take a London trade? No. I had a small longs overnight. I got stopped on. We got. I don't think we have any news today. Should be good for news other than the one we already had. So we have data highs right here. We'll look for those to get tagged early, and then if we inverse this data candle, we'll look for downside. If you look at the daily chart, though, I don't really want to fade this too much because we're at our OB, right? So if we close below yesterday's low, I'll be bearish. But until then, I'm going to still look for upside. Under yesterday's lows, we'll be bearish. Let me log into my accounts here. Let's see. You load up on the Apex? Hell yeah, for sure. I've just been trading a lot of Apex evals too. The bigger accounts are so hard to pass. I can't get those done, but the other ones, yeah. I'm doing a lot of 50Ks because the 250Ks are just way too hard intraday to pass. Like you get like a 15 point pullback, 10-point pullback, you're cooked. Let me log in real quick. Alright, we're good to go. I think relative equal high at 804. 804. I don't think we pull up all the way there. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think we go back up there today. We're sure NQ today, man. I recommend? I always do that. I just try to pass it as quick as possible. If I'm being honest. Chat, are we ending green or red today? We're down 0.5% on NQ right now. What do you guys think? That's good, Colonel. Green or red? What do you guys think? ES is down 0.2 or 25, and then NQ is down 0.45%. Gotta be green. I'm gonna be cautious shorting here. If you guys are just joining in, we have a daily OB inversion, so I'm gonna kind of just wait on around and see what happens here. A close below yesterday's low would be for me indicating bearish. Got a little 15-minute gap here on NQ and ES. Let's see if that can take us to data highs. Yeah, 5 minutes. I think you're closing the gap. Oh, can you hear that down? Okay, that works. I think that's valid. Do you consider both sides a data wick or only the top one, especially since ES and YM you do not? Yeah, I consider both. I mean, it's more when the obvious wick is when it's there. If the wick is more obvious. Dump it last day of August. Off topic, but your clash deck look. Yo, I changed my clash deck. If you guys don't know this, what time frame is that? It is the 1 minute. You can see the time frame right here on the top. Your bias for today? I am looking for higher, I guess. Off this daily inversion. I mean, you can't see the background clearly, but you can see the top. Oh, you guys can't see the top. Okay, let me make my watermark a little darker then. Yeah, I got you. Did I not do anything? That's too much. Hold up, that's too much. No, I don't like that. That's too much. It's bugging me. It's bugging me out. Oh shit! I changed the grid lines instead. Whoops. That's good. Can you guys see that? I think that's better, right? That's still too much, I feel like. Hold on, let me fix this. I think that's good. That's all, that's all. Is this alright, chat? What do you guys think? I feel like it's still too much. Hold on, let me go one lighter. Alright, that's better. Does the indicators also show, what's the indicator called? What's the indicator called? My editor says that it looks bad. I gotta listen to my editor. Did you share the news? No, I didn't. It was actually a good news release too. It was a good news release. Decrease opacity. Let's do 8%. I mean, that's how much I had it before. I don't know, chat. I'm going all the way back to what I was at. I'm sorry. Is it gonna let me Control C or Control Z all the way? Alright. We're going back to this one. Just ask me the time frame if you guys need it. Medium news at 30. Yeah, I think we have 6 or 7. I don't think the medium news is gonna do anything. Oh yeah, my Clash deck though. Someone's asking. Yeah, I switched out. I switched out the Berserker for the. What was it? The minions, and then I switched out the Fireball for the Earthquake spell. All right, here's our open here. I'll make sure the next stream has the watermark. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. We have 500 people in here with 30 likes on the stream. Make sure you guys drop a like on the actual stream. Let's get to like 100 open. We'll do a giveaway today. We'll do some giveaways today. Yeah, Brian, because like I'm trying to like figure it out, but I think that one's I'm gonna rock with for a while. I keep the staples. There's just a spell that switch around. What do you think of my IRL streamer? Maybe when I move in a couple weeks, I think that'd be fun. A couple. Well, do you guys watch IRL streams or no? Be honest. Oh, I was trolling Paris. I feel like a lot of people would not because like there's like it's a streaming page. Depends on what you're doing. I think for the 24-hour stream, I'm gonna take like so the plan is like for the 24-hour stream, is we'll trade and then like we'll take like an hour break, and we'll like go out and stuff. If you guys don't know, we're gonna do a 24-hour stream. I think either end of September or early October. Where are you moving to? OC, Orange County, Cali. Oh, for sure, Frank, for sure. Yeah, the data candle was actually pretty nice. It was better than I expected. The bias, we'll look for a little bit higher, I guess. If we close under yesterday's low down here, I'm gonna be bearish. But until then, we'll look for a little bit higher. In terms of intraday, like the lower time frame, we're just kind of chopping around right now, so kind of waiting around. We have data highs up here, so maybe that could be a draw. I don't know, that looks kind of weird today. The lower time frame is like pretty choppy. We had to move down in London, and that's it. Other than that, it's just been chopped. I feel like this inversion short could be nice, but I wanted to see into these lows. This inversion short could be nice. I personally wanted to see the data high get sold first, but we'll see. This actually might be a good lower time for looking at Asia. Yeah, it is. I want to give this a go. Landfill's new tweet insane. Yeah, he went crazy last night. I'm not gonna lie. Bro went crazy last night. I want to slam lows. Yeah. I think this inversion could be nice. Downside. Am I ready before we get a chance to enter the OC? I appreciate you guys being on. We've been pretty consistent with the streams. It's been fun. I've been enjoying the streams a lot. We'll look for longs above this here. It's 9:30 open, but other than that, we'll see if we continue rejecting. I feel like they're gonna inverse this and just run it, dude. This could be a potential setup here. ES is still kind of strong, which is making me hesitate a little bit. We'll give a couple goes. We'll give the short a go if we get it, and then we'll give a long above 930 open a go right here. But we gotta wait for the inversion and things like that. Why did you start streaming on YouTube? I just felt like, you know, I think it'd be better for the free side of things as well. This guy lets it ever sleep. Hey, I know if I'm an inverse, I'm looking for the 1 minute. I'm looking for the 1 minute. Hopefully it'll run 612 before just gotta stay patient. Nah, I'm not in that now. It's just Wick Central on the lower time frame. It's gonna run it. It's gonna run it. Lou, what's good? What's good? No entry from you guys on this. No entry for me on this. We took out that low I wanted. No inversion on the 1 minute for me. We had the 5 minute, but I wanted to see the 1 minute validation. We'll see what we get here. Alright, let's put this away. I don't know. The lower time, there's so many wicks on the 1 minute. I don't know. There's no like, prices isn't fluid in my eyes. It's just not fluid at all. I think it's time for a clash game. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pushing trophies, Frankie. PA's cooked, yeah. Just kind of, there's too many wicks back and forth. Like, I feel like today's gonna be like a hindsight day. Kitty, you're scared. This might be hindsight, like, oh, we could have taken this, but in real time, it just doesn't look good. Oh my god, I already wasn't paying attention. Let's shoot the 15 minute. Yeah. I think we'll come for a low that I have marked out under us. Yo, we're falling off a cliff right now. But you gotta wait, chat. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that in Nvidia news with Alibaba. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not in short. I didn't take anything because I was waiting for a 1 minute short, but we took our internal low before I can get an entry, so I didn't take it. I didn't take it. We'll wait around here. We'll be patient. 1 minute long now. We'll wait. Cause look at the 5 minute, right? The 5 minute's kind of heavy right now. So what we'll probably do is put in a 5 minute gap, and then we'll take the 5 minute gap if we need to. Nvidia's getting hammered this morning though, with the news. And this is why I'm kind of like waiting to short, right? I don't want to take a short too early. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. I look, you might take a long here. I might give this a long opportunity. Right here. Chat, what do you think? It's gonna be a potential long here. I want to wait to see more speed, but if this hold, I'll look for a long. If this hold, I'll start looking for longs. But this needs to inverse, obviously. Got a haircut 10:30. Goddamn, that's early. Yeah, the 5 minute change. Yeah, I agree. It's too early right now, but we'll wait. Let's get rid of this because I can't really see. We have this low. This low is pretty clean in my eyes. And for higher, it'd be data highs. Alright, chat. Here's what we'll do. We'll give this a continuation here. We'll give this a continuation, and then we'll go. We'll take a short here into these lows. And if we get continuation, yeah, I think that'll be good. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. Alright, I'm gonna take a jab here with a pretty decent stop. It's like only a couple, like 20 points. We'll take a jab here, and then we'll look at 41 and 70s. We'll keep this small risk here at 18. If we don't continue here, I think we'll go back to we'll go to previous highs, but we'll see. See if this holds. Let's stop with this high. Stop with the high. Let me just put it in. Are you allowed to go on PAs? No. On evals you can. They don't care. But on PAs you cannot do that. 13 points here. Let's see a good continuation to this low that I have marked out. I think ES is running some of his lows. Yeah. ES has a 488 to go through. I want a strong 1 minute downside closure here. Alright, that's 18 points. We're about to approach our first TP here. Alright, boom. First TP at 23 points. 23 points here, guys. Beautiful. 35 points here. Oh my god. Chat! Chat! Stop playing with us! Come on, man! Come on, man! Stop playing with us! God damn! Stop playing with us! ES took out his low, so we're pretty content here with make sure you guys are trimmed. Let runners go, and then the rest of your stop loss should be at 600. Stop playing with us. That's fire. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I took that on my PAs as well. I like that. Come on, man. Stop playing with us. ES is coming down nicely here. Make sure you guys are trimmed and break even on the rest of them. Chat. Come on. Come on. Alright, I think I'm gonna take mine out here because I don't want to get trailed on my PAs, because I have 10 above the buffer and 10 are above the buffer. So I think I'll chop them here. I think I'll chop them here. I like that. I like that. I like that. That's a beautiful trade. I was initially looking for long, but I was like, hold on. We got a bullish gap. We inversed it. You didn't even say you entered. Bro, go back in the stream, my guy. You tweaking. Chat, spam 1 if you took the trade. Spam 1 if you took the trade. Spam 1 if you took the trade. I like seeing that. Alright, here's what we got. Apex run round 2. We got 3,500 on 10 accounts, and then we have, I think we're at like 2,000 on the other accounts. So we need like 1,000 more. We could request 40K next week. We can request 40K next week. I like that. Yeah, each account's manually. Yeah. 40 more. Curious. Yeah, I posted on Twitter. How do you get that buff? No. I've been trading M and Q only. M and Q. Even right now, I took M and Q. It's too early to be rage ready. Alright, that was a good ass trade though. That was a fiery trade to start off the day. I'm not gonna lie. It was. We took the inversion here. Yeah, that's fire. That's a 2-to-1 right there. That was a tight risk play too. Here, let me post this. Let me take a screenshot of this. The inversion was right here. It's very small inverse. Where does knife in here? That's nice. It's like 60 plus points on that. Get me rested away. Good work, guys. Good work. Manoli. Do you look at M&Q or NQ charts? I look at NQ for everything. Yeah, dude. Honestly, this 4 hour is getting very heavy, and we'll see, because we have this here, right? We'll see if this trend either holds. If it doesn't, the LR is going to start coming down here. Guys, we're almost down 1%. If you're going to look for upside, like, you can't be trading off of 1 minute, right? Or you can, but it needs to be invalidations at, like, points where it actually matters. So, oops. So in this case, so we swept this. If you want to look for upside, we have to get above this 1 minute here, right? Which is also aligned with the 5 minute OB. So that's what you have to get above. So back above like 600 would be longs. Other than that, this holds still. I do, yeah, I use SMT. We have Labor Day on Monday, right? So we have half day on Monday. Wait, Manoli, where are you going? Back home? Or what? North Korean. Oh, back to heels. Bet. If you guys are just joining in, make sure you guys are liking the stream and subscribing. We're live every day at 7:15 Eastern. We basically caught a nice 60-point short here on NQ. Now we're just kind of watching to see what happens at this level. Are you legal? What does that mean? With the Apex 90% eval, yeah. To admit, that's kind of the trash part, because we thought it was you can pass the evals whenever. 9:15 Eastern, my bad. We thought we could pass whenever and still get the PA fees, right? But they said you need to pass before September 2nd. Am I legal? God, dude, you guys have some crazy questions. Alright. He's Puerto Rican, yeah. Nah, I'm Punjabi. I'm born in California. I'm Punjabi, though. Nuke, that's what we thought, and then we got an email saying otherwise, so that's why it was... Chat, we're almost down 1% here on ES. The 15 minutes look very heavy. I think we might come down for these lows. These are NVIDIA lows. Might be the overall draw. Chad, did we give this another go? Chad, did we give this another go? I think we give this another go. For lower, right? Let's see if we got to retrace. If we got to retrace me before this lowest, no, we didn't. Damn. Although this is actually a pretty solid inversion, another one to take, but I feel like I'm getting greedy down here. Ah, we got equal lows on ES. It's actually not that bad. Oh shit! Yep, there it goes. It looks like a cell model. This is a clean cell model. Lock myself out plus 50 points, yes sir. This might be just a continuation cell model, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't think the SMT is gonna hold, cause look at the hourly. This hourly is extremely heavy. We have no resistance here or support here, I guess, because we have no PD arrays formed, right? And NVIDIA low looks like the most likely one. We have a massive hourly OB that got put in. I think this is good for continuation lower. We'll probably just keep melting. Let's see if we can get this one a chance here. This gap here a chance. I don't think we're gonna get it. I really wanted to short this inversion again. I kind of held off on it, but because of how aggressive it was. But this is nice. I think 436 is actually a pretty good target for lower. Yeah, BTC is under 110? That's crazy. NVIDIA drawn liquidity is a low, I believe so, yes. I believe so. Chad, do we get this a go? I think if we get this, we should get this a go. This honestly doesn't look that bad. We can M and Q this because it's kind of aggressive. I do want to get this a go. I'll wait for this 5-minute closure and we'll get this a go. Yeah, that's why I want to wait for the 5-minute closure because we have some news here. But I think we're gonna continue just lower. Chat, I'm gonna grab a very. Yeah, this is good. We're getting up. Right. I'm going to take an entry here with 3M and Q. We'll take an entry here with 3M and Q. You can take it at like 30s. 30s is a good entry. Stop about this high as there is good. It's a wider stop from the first one, so you can use a smaller size and risk the same. My entry's at the 30s. Yo, I tell you, that's... No, you're right. You called it. I'm not gonna lie. You called it. You called it. You said dump it, and it dumped. Let me play a game of Clash real quick though. I already took a L while I was playing earlier on stream right now. Let's see it. No, not 3 minutes. 3 micros. 3 micros. Do you have a loud fan? I think it is a fan. I'm not gonna lie. I think it is. I'd want to see a dump be. Oh my god! If you guys are in the OG days, we had smoke alarms going off the whole time. That shit was so funny. I think we want to see downside before. Oh my god, chat. Send it. I want to see downside before the 15-minute close because I don't want the 15-minute to close and put a fair value gap in, and then move lower. I want to see lower with no retracement into any gap. Alright, that's like 25 points here, guys. 25 points here. I want to see a continuation. Oh my god, we're falling off. Okay, I'm gonna go BE at this area. We're at 30 points again. 30 points again. Hold on, I'm gonna lose my Clash game because I'm trying to update everyone. Oh yes, rest in peace. Wait, hold on. We have a fighter's chance here, guys. Guys, 40 points here. You guys can take a trim here if you guys want. You guys can take a trim here. I'm gonna take 2 micros off. Chat, we're hooping right now. Come on now. Send it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. That's 50 points. 50 points on this trade here. Almost 50 on this trade. Almost 50 points on this trade. Come on now. Make sure you guys are break even stop. Go break even stop. Go break even stop. Go break even stop. I'm fine with that. 50 points, I'm fine with that. Go BE here. You didn't tell us you entered. Oh my god. Let's go to space. Space, I almost crashed out, but then I saw space and I was like, oh, he's trolling. I'm not gonna lie. Almost crashed out right now on stream. Almost. You almost made me crash out and I saw your name. Send it, guys. Send it. Send it. Send it. Send it. I took 2 out of the 3 micros off though. I took 2 out of the 3 micros off because I don't want to get trailed on my accounts. I have intraday trailing. I got some house music playing in my ear right now. I'm living it. I'm living it. I'm living it. Chat, spam 1 if you take the trade again. Spam 1 if you take the trade again. Damn, we killing shit today. We killing shit today. We killing shit. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Come on now. Send it a TP. Oh my god, we like the impulses. We like the impulses. Chat, I'm gonna cut mine here because I don't want to get trailed. I'm gonna cut mine here. I'm gonna cut mine here. I'm gonna cut mine here. I have trailing drawdown. I'm gonna cut mine here. I'm gonna cut mine here. Let's go. We got another bang. Nah, that's 2 bangers in like less than like 30 minutes here. I cut mine here because I have trailing intraday drawdown. I don't wanna deal with that. Solid move, guys. Another 2-1. Solid move. Now, if I catch you guys trading after these 2 trades, that's not it. And I ran out of water, rip. This hat is legendary. I'm not gonna lie. Word every time. This hat is legendary. Honestly though, guys, you guys pretty much short the pop into these lows. I think any short the pop move here is good. I think we're going 430s. Good work, chat. Good work. This is where we're at right now. Oh shit, that's way too big. Hold on. Oh my god. Chat, we all know Lanto, right? We all know Lanto, right? And you know how he had a, 30K overnight on his top step counts. Funny Ticks helped me with his account. That's crazy. Funny Ticks only has one good plan. It's the pro plan. Everything else is dog shit. This kid's up 45 per K. 45K per account. He's above the cap. He's just doing it for the love of the game at this point. Oh, that's funny. That man's good, dude. Chat, 2 bangers on stream. 2 bangers. 2 bangers. We'll get the thumbs up for the Twitter post later. It's top step. Yo, we're at 900 viewers? Am I tweaking right now? Are we at 900 viewers? Holy shit! Are we at 900 viewers or am I tweaking? What the fuck? Are we tweaking that? What? Yo, what was that spike? Yo! That was crazy. Yo, we're gonna be at 1K by like mid-September, bro. I don't care. We're gonna take over as the best AM streamer on the platform. Best AM streamer on the platform. Guys, I'm gonna say right now, we're the best AM streamers here. Like, we don't miss. We're consistent as fuck. Let's do a fat giveaway today. I'm feeling a fat giveaway. Let's give away, like, let's see, how many accounts do you have to give away? Guys, we have so many Lucid accounts to give away. Let's see. We'll do a fat giveaway today. Because I'm supposed to be giving these accounts away, like, pretty often, but I haven't been doing it. So, let's go. Let me check how many accounts we have to give away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 accounts to give away for Lucid, and then we'll do... Yeah, we'll do that for now. We have an Apex... I have, like, Apex accounts to give away, but since it's a sale right now, I don't think it'll be as good. Clean out Brian's bag of giveaways? Oh, God. Me and Brian get the giveaways, and we just split it at the start of the month. We just split it. So we'll do a giveaway in that. If we'll do like last time, we'll do a giveaway in the Discord because I don't have the giveaway bot set up here. So I'll link the Discord. It's free. Let's go to the giveaway tag. I'll show you guys where. Giveaway will be right here. It says premium, but it's open to everyone. So when you guys get an invite or when you guys join, just go to that giveaway tab and we'll post it right now. We'll do Lucid test accounts. We'll do, yeah. So we'll do 5 Lucid test accounts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Okay, guys, I have a question. 5 evals or 2 direct to fundeds? What do you guys think? 5 evals or 2 direct to fundeds? Let me know what you guys want. 2 straight to funded or 5 evals? Wait, I can make a poll. Hold on. I'm dumb. I can make a poll. Hold up. 5 eval. Okay, so is this a yes or no poll, I guess? I don't think I can change the... Okay. So, I'm going to start the poll. It has yes or no on it. Oh, actually... Yeah. We'll do this real quick. Put yes for direct, 2 straight to funded, or 5 eval. And then put no for 5 eval. I guess that's the best way to do this. Yes for the first one, and no for the second one. And let me know. We'll let it run. And that's full TP hit right there. No for 5 evals. Yes for the straight to funded. And I'll link the Discord here so you guys can join and I can do it. I mean, we're gonna do the eval eventually too. We'll do it next stream. We'll let the giveaway run for 2 hours. All right, we'll do the straight to funded. All right. All right, chat. If you guys go to the giveaway tab on the Discord, we have it right here. React to this thing right here. You guys can react to this thing right here, and then they'll give you the entry. We got 2 winners of 2 Lucid direct to funded accounts, and then we have we'll do evals next time. You're streaming on Monday? We're live every single day. Monday through Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Alright. I'll pick the winners in 2 hours. If you guys win and see your name and I don't see it because I'm going to be busy or whatever, DM me personally. If not, I'll come reach out and DM to you. All right. We have two direct accounts. Okay, perfect. Well, chat, this was a banger stream. Alright, we got everything situated. What was your sell side level? My sell side level, let me delete this. Our sell side level was this hourly low because this is the NVIDIA low. So we had NVIDIA high sweep and then we had NVIDIA low sweep. And if you guys can see right here, we're kind of destroying all this LR that we have formed. So if we get a 4 hour close, we still have a lot of time on the 4 hour. But if we get a 4 hour closure below here, we're gonna probably come all the way back down and take out this low. That's in the cap. We're in the Discord. I'm gonna show it one more time. Go down where it has a premium tab, but it's open to everyone. It's right here. It reacts to this one right here. Alright, we're just chill now. If you guys have any questions, let me know too. Those really good trades. I appreciate it. Fish. Anyone have a problem with Apex Pass? My second account, 1 day passed, 2 days I passed it, I didn't get the email. Make sure it's actually passed. Can you explain why you shorted? Yeah. So the first short we took was this inversion here, right? So we were traced into this 1 minute fair value gap. We rejected it, created a bullish gap along the way. Inverse, we took this inversion to the downside for, I think it was like, I don't know how many points it was, like 40 or like 60 points, like 65 points total. I closed a little early because I'm in trailing drawdown, so I want to make sure I don't get trailed or whatever. The second trade here, what we saw was, I wanted to take this inversion straight up right here, but we're kind of dove a little bit lower than I wanted. Keep in mind the main draw on liquidity was this NVIDIA low, right? So the draw on liquidity is there. We got a 1 minute tap into this fair value gap, and then if you guys can see on the 5 minute, we're tapping into this 5 minute order block that we put. So this is a 5 minute PD array being tapped into. So I used the 5 minute into the 1 minute with our draw on liquidity, and that's why I took that trade to the downside. Now, guys, I would stay off now because we took out the NVIDIA low. We took our highest probability draw. If we continue, we continue. If not, we don't. It is what it is. We're down 1.3% right now. Just be careful. Hog Barrel Cannon deck. Yo, the 2.6 Hog deck is still meta, even after like so many years. Use the Expo. You live every day? Yeah. Every day, Monday through Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. No, 9:15 and 9:20. Sometimes I wake up late. I start streaming a little late, but like later or earlier this week, I actually didn't wake up. My alarms didn't, my phone died, so my alarm didn't go off, and then so we made up for it with the Asia stream. That was pretty fun. No, I'm not looking at anything right now. No longs, no shorts. We already finished. We have some gaps put in. We'll probably get some retracements. We took out our high probability area of liquidity. And now we're just kind of, we'll see what happens. The Asia stream was a banger. That was a crazy overnight session. Yeah, I streamed Asia like 2 days ago. What do you consider NVIDIA lows taken? Yeah, they got taken. They got swept. That area of liquidity got swept. Now we're just retracing back into the 15-minute gaps and things like that. I'll wait for like an hourly close. Like, I'll wait for this hourly close, see how price reacts into this new hourly fair value gap that we might put in, and things like that. And that's what I'll set up for a PM session. The rest of the session is like whatever, because we already took out our liquidity. No, I'm done. I'm 2 for 2. I'm done for the day. I'm not. There's no point in getting greedy here. King, the only good account for funding ticks is the pro account. All the other ones are meh. DJP, if I don't catch, I only trade on stream when obviously the price is good. If the price isn't good, I would look for PM session, but like we already caught 2 trades today, so for me, I'm content with today. I don't need to keep going. And it's a good way to end the week. Yeah, it's in the Destiny and Brian Discord, the giveaway. I'll link it again here in case that link has expired. If you guys want to join the giveaway, it's in this giveaway here. Or in this channel here. Keep in mind, guys, Monday is a Labor Day holiday, so I think Mondays and Tuesdays trading day will count as one. Yeah, we had really good entries today. All those shorts. Well, anyway, I don't trade the 3-minute, and like I said, for the upside, I have to wait for more structure to form. This is not enough structure. Well, plan for T. I think I have the pro plan. That's it. That's it. Asia low day previously to Asia high day, or like, yeah, no, seriously. I'm not gonna lie, chat. This is probably like a good woman inversion to downside. I'm not taking it, but it actually is a pretty good woman inversion because we're rejecting the 5-minute gaps. I'm not gonna take it. This would be like true continuation for lower. He has to probably come take out his low here. And this is why you don't want a long, because we're finally retracing into our gaps for the first time, so there's no point in taking a longs right now, at least. You gotta stay patient. Wait for the PM session if you guys are looking for more trades. The lower liquidity, if I was still trading, I'll look for this ES lows at this NVIDIA low. We're pretty close. We have like 5 points left, so it's not that far. But it'll be that one. How do you know if it's going to reverse from a fair value gap or break? Well, it depends on the speed of price, right? The price is obviously very aggressive to the downside. So it's all about the speed and things like that, and overall narrative, right? The overall narrative coming into this was neutral bias, but then once our New York Open, we had a lot of bearish PD arrays to get formed, a lot of bullish PD arrays to get violated, so things like that gave me an indication that we're going to go down. And we have a good drawn liquidity to the downside, which we took out here. We'll see if ES wants to come out and take this too. I think ES will take this out eventually. Besides Top Step and Apex, which platform is the best? If you're looking for straight to funded, probably Tradeify and Lucid. Other than that, I would say TBT probably. TBT is good. At PAs, if you're long on one account but hit stop loss and close out, can you go short on another account? You can't hedge at the same time. They'll ban you. So, no. They can't hedge. No hedging. We do have one FT hedge. You can go up and look at the link. You can scroll up and chat. Alright, chat. I'm going to wrap up stream. It's Friday. We'll be chilling today. I'll be in the Discord if you guys need me. General chat. Obviously, premium members, I'll be there as well. But really good stream. The giveaway is live in the Discord right now. There should be like an hour and like 25 or hour 40 minutes left for the giveaway. 2 banger shorts. I hope you guys enjoyed those. Don't overtrade. We took our trades. We're done. All right. I hope everyone has a good weekend, a long weekend. Monday is Labor Day, so no stream Monday. Because the market's not gonna be open, or it's gonna be like half day. I don't wanna do a half day stream. So yeah, that's it. All right, peace and love, chat. I'll catch you guys. Peace and love.